Jiggly Kids TV.
5 big dinosaurs stomp, 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 looking for some yummy green leaves to chomp. One went away with a roar so loud. Now there are 4 in the dino crowd. 4 big dinosaurs crunch, 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 eating up a giant prehistoric lunch. One went away to find a tall tree. Now there are 3 for us to see. 3 big dinosaurs swish, 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 splashing in the water like a big blue fish. One went away to find something new. Now there are 2, just look at you. 2 big dinosaurs thud, 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 dancing all around in the squishy, squashy mud. One went away to have some fun. Now there is 1, he's the only one. 1 big dinosaur, tired, 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 all that stomping left him uninspired. He went away to his cozy little den until it's time to stop again.